Welcome to ECTRA CLP Equity, continuous learning program on stock market. So learning is a continuous process, particularly when it comes to earning. The learning is very, very important to update ourselves. Let us have a brief look at what is this continuous learning program. ECTRA CLP Equity. What is this program? Chart analysis done in front of the participants. So all the secrets of analysis done openly. The overall big picture about the market is analyzed. Trading opportunities are marked. So to help the participants to earn on weekly basis, our participants are earning at least a few thousands every week by attending this program. We also created a secret Telegram group for the participants. So the participants can help each other when the entry point is arrived and making this trading as a profession. This is the overall view about what the program is. Before we continue, a small introduction about ECTRA, Equity Commodity Training and Research Academy. Our mission, enabling every individual towards a structured and disciplined process of wealth creation through stock market opportunities. The company is 8-year-old in the market and conducts various levels of training programs, conducted more than 1,500 training programs with a learner base of more than 5,000. I am R Arulrajhan, over 25 years of experience in the field of financial market. I am also empanelled trainer with the National Stock Exchange and National Institute of Securities Market. I also authored a book called Sariyana Parvai, Equity Market, Commodity Market, Currency Market in Tamil as well as in English, The Right Perspective. Also a book I have written for the traders called Tradergle Ushar in Tamil. I do appear in various regional channels regarding stock market related programs. So what is this CLP Equity? It is a 1-hour session every Monday between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. We cover market overview, the Indian market as well as the global market. All the Indian sectors are analyzed technically. So we understand how the India VIX index is behaving now. It's called as a fear index. Analysis of swing trade as well as the day trade. Guidance of 8 scripts to identify the important support and resistance levels for making money for the week. Analysis done using the method called retracement method and the pullback method. The low risk area are identified also to look into how to make the highest profit in that move, and that area is marked for the participants' benefit. The future segment is analyzed for the benefit of the high risk traders. Also, the cash segment is analyzed for the low risk traders. The chart analysis is done using 2 methods. One is the retracement method. We identify the strong stocks and wait for the fall to go long. This is one method. The second method is the pullback method, where we identify the weak stock and wait for the price to rise to go short. So this will be the low risk area. Just I explained to you here, look at this chart. This chart is giving you an idea about how the trend is. So look at this picture. This is a chart indicating the price is trending upward. It is in the uptrend. The red spot shows where the current price is. So we try to identify the stock which is in the current uptrend, and we also identify where it is likely to fall and take a support. The support area is identified and our participants are given an idea about why this area is chosen. Once this area is chosen, then we also look into the risk management and identify where we should put the stop loss. Then the profitability also measured, the probable reward is 1:1 or 2:1 or 3:1 for each trade. Similarly, look at this chart. This is making a low top, low bottom. This is in downtrend. Then we pick up the stock which is the downtrend and look for a pullback. When the share is trying to make a small rise, we identify the important area or the strong resistance area to go short with the stop loss, as well as per the risk management, the quantities are defined and reward is also fixed based on the current probability. Trading is an attractive option in the stock market as this can help to make quick money. This product is for traders who will help develop a systematic plan and a strategy to manage the risk in trading. Ideally, if you also take up the technical analysis level 1 and 2 program, so we'll have a strong foundation when we go for the actual analysis on no, on Monday, 8 to 9 every week. Basics about the technical analysis will help you to understand how the analysis is done. ECTRA is offering the technical analysis course level 1 and 2 every month in English and Tamil. The rules of the trading game. ECTRA devised 4 rules. The first one is the risk management. So practically and emotionally, we are all filled with. So fix your daily risk per trade. So mentally, we are prepared with the risk. So no fear to trade. The second is spotting the right opportunity. So wait for the right opportunity to use the support and the resistance provided to the maximum benefit, either by the retracement trade or the pullback trade. The third is a very important thing. You may spot a good area to enter. You can also see some profit, but it's very important to retain the profit. So safeguarding the profit is very, very important, and never allow a profitable trade to become a loss. The fourth rule is much more important than all other rules, that is acceptance of the loss what we have already planned for or calculated. Mindset to accept 3 out of 10 trades will go wrong will make your mind to be cool and ease of trading. But move on to the next opportunity is very, very important, and that may be a profitable opportunity also. So accepting the calculated risk will enable you to take the next trade comfortably without any mental disturbance. So what will you learn? The first thing is the market overview. We will be discussing about the performance of the global markets such as American markets, Europe markets, Asian markets, and review on how these global market performance will affect the Indian market. Then next we'll move on to the sectoral analysis. This analysis will help you to understand which of the sectors are stronger and weaker. So once we identify the strong sectors and close to the resistance and weak sectors, the support levels, all that we will identify to go to the next level of the scripts. India Volatility Index, we shortly call it IVIX. So many of us are supposed to know about this fear index to understand the direction of the market. Under the India VIX, Volatility Index, also known as a fear index, will give the indication about what direction the market likely to move on. The indication of the present market volatility is very, very important for us to understand how the market is likely to behave for the day. So we analyze how other index also can react to this India VIX Volatility Index. Then we go for the script analysis to identify the swing and day trading. Identify the opportunities for swing and day trading for the selected scripts. How do we identify the support and resistance levels? The methodology what we use is the retracement and the pullback trades. For the high risk traders as well as for the low risk traders, we have the opportunities. Out of 8 opportunities, 3 are on the futures side. So the high risk traders can look into futures Nifty, futures Bank Nifty. One stock, future stock is analyzed, and they can make use of this for their high risk and high reward opportunities. Also, we analyze 5 companies every week. The 2 on regular basis and 3 will be a new one based on the opportunity available. All this live analysis will be done, and it will be captured in a file that also will be uploaded in the ECTRA.in website, and the subscribers can download it next day. A sample file of CLP equity is shown here. This is the cover page, and we wanted to remind you what kind of methodology we are going to follow. So every day have a look at it and make your mind ready to take the long only when there is a retracement. Also make up your mind to go short only on the pullback of the downtrend stocks. So every day we should understand what is the risk management and what is the quantity you are supposed to take, and how you plan for your exit also. The rules are mentioned here, all the 4 rules: risk management, right opportunity, retaining the profit, accepting the loss already be calculated. So looking at every day will go into your mind very strongly when you are on 2 trades. Gap up and gap down is also very important. So whenever the price opening above the resistance level or whatever the level we already marked, we will have to wait for the market to settle down and mark the support and resistance after it settled down using the high and lows. Then look for a breakout or a breakdown from those levels to initiate the trade. Similarly, when there is a gap down, you should wait for the market to settle down and preferably I say 3-4 candles. It can be slow market 15 minutes candle. If it is a fast moving market, look into 5 minutes candles. So mark high and low as support and resistance, look for a breakout or a breakdown. So this book will be, these levels which is already marked and sent to you will be shown with what was the result we are able to get, and as well as this the cash script segment also explained in detail where was the levels for going long and short. Every session you will learn, understand and witness. So live sessions to understand how the global markets are performing, how the news in and around the world market also affect the Indian markets, understanding how the one index affects the another, understand how the support and resistance are identified, opportunities for the swing and day trading. As the name suggests, continuous learning program CLP. So your learning is continuous with each week, giving you more knowledge, confidence to take the informed decision. This is actually the continuous learning program brief introduction. So this will give you a broader idea about what the program is, how you will be benefited out of it. It is very important for you to get into this before you know what it is. So these sessions, every session, whatever you understand, this will also help you to enhance your knowledge on a regular basis. We do put a lot of information in the social media, Twitter, Facebook, as well as the Instagram under the ECTRA Academy. We also conduct a regular live analysis of Nifty in the YouTube ECTRA TV channel, 11 o'clock in ECTRA Tamil channel, and 11:15 in the ECTRA TV English channel. You can also participate in this and benefit on a daily basis. You can start your continuous learning journey with the help of this guidance product and be a very successful trader.